What's up, y'all? Truckers Life, and we back. We're shopping again. Well, didn't go shopping, did Instacart. But I got me some asparagus and mushrooms. I had to re-up on my ground beef because I'm out. I had to re-up on the ground beef. Y'all know what it is. It's the only ground beef I use. But tonight, y'all, we're going to try this again, okay? Try to fry some chicken, batterless chicken in the truck. We're gonna try this. I already seasoned it. Only thing I seasoned it with was Tony Chachery Cajun seasoning and salt and pepper. But this is gonna be a pretty quick video today because I'm just doing this and the rice. I'm still with my baby. Well, she's inside playing with her dolls. We went out and celebrated her birthday yesterday. Just get inside down first. I already put some garlic in the oil. And today I didn't use regular oil. Of course, I used my Wagyu beef fat tallow right there. Yeah, I'm itching. Okay. That one's going. I'm gonna put this one in with it. And we actually frying today. And then we're just gonna let it cook. I'm not gonna, actually, yeah, I am gonna cover it so it don't pop all over the place when it heats back up. We're gonna do two at a time. My baby wanted chicken, so she gets chicken, y'all. And don't worry, this will be organized in the next couple days, because, you know, living in a truck, I gotta organize my freezer, all of this stuff. So yeah, I already had this, but I had to add to it. I had to get some other stuff that didn't come with this. I got a spatula and all that stuff, so I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put everything. I got my water going for my rice right here. I got the oil going for the fried chicken. And we're gonna be back, y'all. We're gonna be back, baby. Hey, I'm gonna post a picture of our time yesterday right here. Alright, y'all, we back and we finishing up this meal. Trying to get this oil to where it stays hot. See if I can fry in here. But man, it ain't working for me today. The beeping sounds because Janiyah left the door open. Truckersdaughter, as y'all know, left the door open, and that's how this truck is. It tells you the door's open by doing that. I need to get my aluminum foil. I know that might seem like a lot, but you'll see why. U-N-I-T-Y. No, that's not a tattoo, that's a scar. But yeah. Yeah, man, that picture that y'all about to see, that y'all saw, that was yesterday, last night. That was Janiyah's birthday get-together she just wanted me, her mom, and her sister, and Daddy made it happen. Like I said, my ex is still one of my best friends, and we're gonna keep it that way. It ain't gonna change. Where did I put that Walmart bag? Just had the Walmart bag in my hand too. Got meat and asparagus out of it. I need the asparagus. I'll be right back, y'all. Alright, y'all, got the asparagus out. Okay, here we go. Party time. And to all my Cowboy fans, how about them Cowboys, baby? There we go. Take these, I'm gonna sit these right here real quick. Grab this, put these in this McDonald's paper bag. Grab these back out. And I'm gonna cut them down. There we go. And we're gonna take this foil, lay it over the top right here, just like that. There we go. You're gonna put this. Oh, let me put the butter down first. I know that beeping sound is getting on my nerves too. My daughter don't like to close doors. I got her some Barbies yesterday for her birthday because her birthday's on the 13th, but we celebrated yesterday because I'm in town. And as y'all saw in the picture, my oldest was able to go with us, so, and that's all tonight wanted was us four together, so gotta make it happen. We with the Sizzler, and I made a fucked up mistake and left my phone, forgot my phone in Sizzler, so went back. And this dude, he said he's a Cowboys fan, I don't know. He didn't have no Cowboys gear on the Cowboys on the game day, so I don't know if he's a real fan. I know I am. I was sitting in Sizzler, cowboyed out, had the cowboy tennis shoes. Actually, I'll show y'all, hold on. Let me do this real quick. Put these in here. Put all these in here. Put some more butter. I got more butter, don't worry. I'm about to refill this. Butter on top. Okay. Then grab my caldo de pollo, my chicken bouillon. Y'all know I love this on asparagus. This is the only way I make asparagus, this or beef bouillon. I want to try with that shrimp bouillon, but I don't know, I haven't been. There we go. There we go. Fold this over, fold that over. And we're just gonna put it on there, let it cook. Because the rice is already going. I'm making chicken flavored rice. This is how I blend my flavors. Chicken flavored rice right here. Right here is the chicken flavored rice, asparagus, and of course, the fried chicken. We're gonna make it fried chicken, you feel me? We ain't playing with the chicken today, y'all. This thing is not getting very hot though, so I'm not getting happy. But we're gonna have some gosh darn fried chicken. This is why I want to try it this way before I put a batter on it. The last thing I want is to have some fried chicken with some soggy batter. But here's the butter right here, so y'all know I ain't playing. I got the butter. I got the butter. But I need to refill my butter container. And when the food is ready to plate up, I'll be back. Truckers, Cowboys Nation, baby. Say it again. What you just said, boo-hoo? Who? There you go. Y'all heard it. Y'all heard it from me. Fuck the Niners. Fuck the fakers. But hey, this Cowboys Nation, baby. I got it tatted for a reason. Because we about to scrape the whiners. Man, fuck them. You feel me? Ow! Y'all, we back. It's time to plate. Time to plate up. Take my chicken out. My baby said she wanted what? Steak and chicken, right? You want some more steak? Huh? Okay, so you want Daddy to get you some steak, right? Okay, Daddy will get you some steak. We went to Sizzler last night. My ex-wife is talking about, oh, it tastes better than Sizzler. Really? Really, Crystal?
Okay, am I waiting here? Because I'm still cold.
Okay, hold on. I'm recording right now. Hold on, no. We're almost done. We're recording right now. Okay, there's the asparagus. And the final piece. And I'm going to take these right here and just go over that way and grab the steak. This is a top sirloin steak, y'all. This is what we do. This is what we do, y'all. Y'all know how it is. But this is what my plate looks like for tonight. Yeah, baby. Got the chicken right there, looking nice and crispy. Steak right there, medium well. Asparagus and some rice. Hey, who's this? What's your name? This is Trucker's daughter. She don't want me to leave, but Daddy's got to do what Daddy does, you know. Dad's got to do what Dad's got to do. What's wrong? What's wrong, baby? Talk. Talk. Stop acting like a baby. Check it. You hear me? What's wrong? I don't want to leave you, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Daddy gotta take care of business.
Never.
Truckers Life and we out. What's our team, baby? What's our team?
Cowboys.
What's our team?
Cowboys.
What's our team?
Cowboys.
What's our team?
Cowboys.
Say it loud and proud. What's our team? Cowboys. What's our team? Say it like that. She act like she's shy. All of a sudden she want to be shy. But hey, this Cowboys Nation. And we out, y'all.